皆さん、こんにちは。Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a classic Japanese style gyoza dumplings. I know there are many kinds of dumplings in the world, but classic Japanese style gyoza is the one baked with oil. So okay, let's make a delicious Japanese gyoza.
So, okay, these are the ingredients for today. So, depending on the size of the gyoza skin, but I've made 23 gyoza. And these are the ingredients for the seasonings the gyoza. If you have a miso, you can add it to make the taste richer. So, okay, first of all, cut the chives into pieces about 2mm thick. And then the cabbage. So I cut out the core, rinsed the cabbage lightly and drained it. Cut the cabbage into strips and then further finely chop. So okay, I cut them like this. So next. So okay, the next step is to season it. So first, add the minced meat to a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking sake, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 3 grams of chopped garlic, and 1 teaspoon of miso. And excuse me, I forgot to add a couple of pinches of salt, so please add it when you make it. So, and then mix with your hand until minced meat is lightly sticky. So, and then add the vegetables. So first, 30 grams of chives, 200 grams of cabbage. So make sure that the vegetables and meat are evenly mixed. So okay, the gyoza fillings is ready. So next. So before wrapping the filling in the gyoza skin, I will prepare the 3 things. So firstly, put the water in a small bowl. Secondly, cut the kitchen towel in half, fold one of them into a small piece and soak it in the water. Thirdly, pour about 1.5 teaspoon of vegetable oil into the fry pan and use the remaining kitchen towel to spread the oil all over the pan. So place the gyoza you are about to make on this pan. So next, wrap the filling in the gyoza skin. So put about a spoonful in the middle. Then wipe around with a kitchen towel. Close the door with your thumbs and forefinger. And here's a hassle-free cooking tip for today. Don't grease the gyoza skin. The reason is that a bit of hassle and you can't see it even if you bake them. Easy and tasty is the key to the happiness of eating gyoza. So shape the remaining dumplings too. And after all the dumplings are ready, bake them in a fry pan. Put all the gyoza in a row like this. So bake the gyoza over a medium heat. So after a while, you will hear a sizzling sound. So keep cooking for about 1 minute. In the meantime, prepare 100 ml of water. So and then pour the water over the gyoza using the circular motion. Cover with a lid, reduce the heat to medium low, and leave to steam for about 5 minutes. So okay, it's been 5 minutes. If there is still water in the pan when you open the lid, return the heat to medium and wait until all of the water is gone. So, and then check the browning of the skin to see how well it's cooked. It's a nice golden brown. It's a perfect. If it's not brown enough, cook it a little longer. So now serve the gyoza on a plate. So please do this in the kitchen sink as water and oil may fall from the pan.
Jan, できました。This is a Japanese style gyoza. Looks good. 見てこの綺麗な焦げ目。It's perfect.
So The delicious gyoza is ready. I think a gyoza and a beer are perfect together, and the gyoza sauce can be served with ponzu or a mixed soya sauce with a sushi vinegar at the ratio of 1:2. So please give it a try.
Hi, thank you for watching. How was the Japanese style gyoza? I hope you enjoyed it. So, and this is the last video of the year. So, thank you for watching my channel and supporting me a lot this year. ありがとうございました。So, wish you and your family the best for 2022. So, Happy New Year and see you in my next video. Bye!